Red Ted Art, it is time for our 6th princess in our special Princess Ornament series. Today we have Jasmine. She's made slightly differently because she hasn't got a skirt but some nice baggy trousers, but she's just as easy and just as cute as the other princesses. So come on, let's take a look and see how she's made. So as with our other princesses, we need some glue sticks, some scissors, a little bit of thread for hanging, some blue paper for Jasmine's trousers, and of course our printable. So the first thing we do is cut down our printable a little bit. Keep this for other projects. Always good to have some scrap paper. And the first thing we need to do is align. So we need to fold this in half and make sure that the two halves align perfectly. As with the other dolls, I'm going to do this offline. I usually hold it up against the window, make sure that the eyes and the tips of everything are perfectly aligned and make a neat crease. Let's come back to that in a second. So I made a super neat crease so that now I can easily glue it. You might at this point also want to add the thread for hanging, or you can sew it on afterwards. It's totally up to you. I'm going to add it now. So firstly add all my glue. Now we need to cut out our Jasmine and our template. Be careful that you don't cut through the thread as you do that. So I'm going to cut all this out and then we'll come to the next step. Your 8 circles and you folded them all in half. Now Jasmine is different to the other dolls because she's not actually wearing a dress. She's wearing nice big sort of pantaloons. So I'm only going to glue 2 of my halves together at a time. So each one will be one trouser leg. And then we're going to shape it to match Jasmine. We're going to cut the top and the bottoms off, but we'll do the bottoms in a minute. And then we're literally just going to glue them like trouser legs onto Jasmine. And there you have Jasmine finished. Now Jasmine is the only one out of our princesses that doesn't stand up on her own, and that's because she's got her little feet at the bottom, whilst the other princesses don't show any feet. So if you do want your Jasmine to stand by herself, you'll have to give her legs a little trim and then she will also be able to stand. And yes, that is it. Jasmine is finished and we have only one more princess to go. Can you guess who she will be? Now don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. We'd love to see you again soon. And yeah, keep watching, keep making and take care. Bye.